If you're having trouble logging into Facebook in 2025, here's how to fix it. First, you need to check the internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection and try switching to a different network if it's not working. And also check your username and password. Carefully check your email or phone number and make sure that the caps lock is off, and if needed, reset your password by tapping on Forgot Password in the login portal and follow the instructions to log into your account. You can also try clearing the cache and cookies. For that, tap and hold onto the Facebook application, tap on the eye icon in the top, and then scroll down, go to Storage, click on Clear Cache. Come back, try force stopping this application, and re-enable it again. Now try updating the Facebook application. Tap on the Play Store or App Store according to your device, search for Facebook or Facebook Lite application, and make sure that it's updated. Tap on the Update button, which will appear instead of Open, and the Facebook app will be updated instantly. Then after, try restarting your device, as restarting your phone or computer can resolve temporary glitches. And you can also try another login method. If one method fails, try using your phone number instead of your email, or vice versa. Try logging in through Facebook Lite or a web browser, or you can use the Facebook application as well. And log in from a device or a browser you have used successfully before, as Facebook sometimes temporarily blocks unfamiliar devices. So that's how you troubleshoot the Facebook login issues. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.